So one of the things that I told you guys about this year's goals for me as far as the garden goes was to actually enjoy my flowers, my blooms, my foliage indoors as well. So I would like to start making arrangements, floral arrangements with the things that I have currently in my garden. I am using a lot of things here that are in one color. They're dark, they're moody, and I absolutely love them. I am going to also be giving you a couple of updates of my garden. You guys have a bunch of questions and I love it. It pushes me to make more videos about certain things, but sometimes I just get so busy with garden, my work, my kids, my family, and sometimes I don't get to your comments soon enough, so I apologize for that. Hopefully I can answer a bunch of questions today that you guys have about things that I have going in my garden. And today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be answering a bunch of questions that you guys have for me, and also I am going to be making this floral arrangement, and we'll see how it turns out. I don't know. Everything that you see here I collected fresh this morning. I have this gorgeous dill and this amaranth that I absolutely love. I am going to be growing amaranth a lot more next year. I know that it does well, it handles the heat, it handles where I put it. This is the one that I have in my new raised bed that I have by my vegetable garden. I also have two that are by the no dig flower bed over here, but I didn't want to touch those because those are just looking amazing. But I have a lot of things that I'm going to be showing you as I use them. I may not be able to use everything because this container is kind of small, but we'll see. I never use one of these things, but I actually found these on Etsy. I think it's called a compote. I'm not positive on that, but it's really cool. It's metal, it holds water, and I already have a little piece of chicken wire here that I just kind of folded in several places, and I'm just going to fit it here. And if you guys are going to ask me about this Lazy Susan, I got this at Home Goods. I love Home Goods. Okay, so now that I have actually space here on my table, I move everything kind of on the side and I will be grabbing it as I need it. I can start with these guys. I am going to be using this Lady Susan so that I can see it myself, and then I'll be showing you as I go. Nice, I like that. All right, so while I am looking at this plum, at these branches that I cut from this plum, I don't know if you guys have Japanese beetles, but they actually have arrived at my place. And one of the first things that they go for when they get here, when they arrive here, are my roses and my dark foliage plants. They just absolutely love that. So before they actually got to my beautiful plum and some of the leaves, you can actually see that they started going for them. I decided to grab a bunch of these so that I could just go and make something nice with them. And I don't really have anything that I can do to my garden when the Japanese beetles arrive. It's just something that I have to deal with every year, and the way that I deal with them is by using soapy water. In the morning I go and I collect as many as possible that I can, and that's how I treat them. I could treat the lawn the year before to kill them before they start coming up in the spring, but I'm just not going to do that. Oh, this is gorgeous. All right, so I'm going to turn this towards me. This is the amaranth that I started from seed, you guys. My goodness, this thing just grew. The minute that it got hot outside, this thing just went for it. The stem of the amaranth is like really thick. So trying to fit it in between my chicken wire, it's a bit of a challenge. Good, so far we're doing well. Okay, so this is, you're seeing the front here. Oh, and I gotta be careful because I can see the stains. I don't know if you can see my fingers, they're already kind of purplish, so I will not want to get these colors. All right, but let me talk about another update that I have for you guys. My sweet peas, the ones that you plant for flowers. I posted a couple of pictures a couple of days ago on my Instagram, and I mentioned how disappointed I was in their performance and how maybe I wasn't going to try them next year anymore. This is my first year with sweet peas. And many of you mentioned, you know, like just wait, maybe try them again this year, try different varieties. And honestly, I don't know. I think that maybe the heat that we had here, like really quick, didn't really help their performance. I know that we got just really hot here in central Indiana early in the spring, and then we got snow, and then we got heat again. So I don't know, I'll have to think about that. But do you guys that live in a zone kind of like mine, central Indiana zone 5 or 6, do you guys have good luck with sweet peas? Because I can use all the tips that I can get. This coleus is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And unfortunately, the Japanese beetles are going for this as well. I don't know if you can see some of the leaves here. Oh, that is so freaking gorgeous. I feel like having a Lady Susan just kind of helps. That way I don't have to be moving around. I can just do this. I don't know. It's the little things. So let me show you my first dahlias, you guys, that I have blooming. I don't know if you can see that. Don't ask me about the variety. I got a bunch of mixes and I don't know. I don't even know what this will be. But look at the yellow center on this one. That is just gorgeous. And here's another variety. You can see that. Oh, nice. Yes. Good, very good. And one of the things that I learned in the past few days when I was kind of watching videos about floral arrangements was that you collect your flowers early in the morning, you put them in water, but if you have them there for a few hours, then the moment that you're putting them in your actual centerpiece, you make a fresh cut. I think that just helps with the piece being just fresh and being able to absorb water easily, to absorb water better. And these are some of the cornflowers that I have. Nice. All right, this is what we have so far. I think that it's beautiful. I am going to work my star flowers into this arrangement. Look at this. I also started this from seed, you guys. Look at that. Look at the yellow center of that. That kind of matches with the one dahlia there. Isn't that beautiful? These ones are scarlet. Let me see if I can, I don't know that I'll be able to put all of these in one here. I might. It's gorgeous. It's freaking gorgeous. Oh, I love that so much. So much. If you guys are enjoying this floral arrangement video, then you must check out Skillshare. Skillshare is sponsoring this video today, and I am so thankful for that. It was there where I found Michael and Derek Putnam's class about modern flowers and how to arrange a stunning centerpiece. And this video is highly inspired by them. If you have never heard of it, Skillshare is an online learning community that offers thousands and thousands of classes, you guys, for people like you and me. They have courses for all levels and all kinds of topics. Do you want to learn about graphic design and photography? Or maybe you want to master your interest in creative writing and acrylic painting? They have a lot of topics to choose from, and the best part, they have no ads and they are super affordable, you guys. And because they're awesome, they're offering a 1-month free trial to the first 1,000 people that sign up using my link listed in the description below. So if you want to try them for free for a whole month and you want to check the class that I am talking about, then this is your chance. Go check them out. This right here, you guys, oh my goodness. These are the lace flowers that I started from seed as well. Aren't these amazing? They're this like soft, like super soft pink. I mean, I just adore them. Okay, another update, and this one is a sad one, you guys. My red bud. It died. Yep, some of you already know because some of you actually messaged me directly asking about the tree and how it was doing. Well, it isn't doing because it died. Clearly, it didn't take the transplant very well. But also, I don't have any pictures of it, but when I dug it out, because it was clear that it was gone it was gone. The one trunk, because it was a multi-trunk tree, the one trunk that was sort of wanted to leaf out, it was infected by something. But the center of that one, it was brown and it was rotten from the middle out. So I knew that even if I tried to save that one trunk, it was next year I would have been very disappointed. So I don't know, something to do with whatever disease happens to trees that makes them rotten from the middle of the trunk towards the outside. But I'm over it. And I actually already have another tree there that you probably, I don't know when I'm gonna put this video out, but you will probably see that in a tour that I am preparing, or I'll probably just do a special video about that. This is dill. Look at the flowers of the dill. I mean, wow. They smell amazing too. I just absolutely love these. All right, so I think that I might have to put this here. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking gorgeous. And these are some, there you go, look at that. And these are some of the sweet pea flowers that I collected. I might, I know I say that I am not going to try them next year, but I might. I don't know. It's one of those things where the winter comes and then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna try every single flower out there again. Just like coleus, I might just try them again. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Okay. So next, and I think this is it. Look at this. These are the spent blooms of the heuchera hedge that I have on the path on the other side. I just kind of went, and I really like how they look like after they're done blooming. I don't cut them off. So I went like, and I took one of each plant or two so that they wouldn't look like I cut them off. But look at that. Look at how gorgeous the texture is, and they keep like this for like a long time. So what I'm going to do is just gonna add them here and there. Beautiful. I probably cut way too many. It's okay. Another update, you guys. The 2 roses that I transplanted a little bit late in the spring, they kind of died a little bit, and I knew that was going to happen. I knew they were going to be in shock, but they are actually doing a lot better now. They are leafing out, and then I know they're going to be fine for next year. And I knew when I moved them super late in the season that it was going to they were not going to be blooming, and I was fine with that. Ideally, roses, you will want to move them way late after they're done for the season, or super early in the spring. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I think that's it, you guys. Oh my goodness, I have the perfect place for that. That is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Just imagine the things that you can make using foliage and blooms that you have in your own garden, you guys. Everything that you see here, everything is from my garden. A lot of this stuff, like the dill, amaranth, sweet peas, dill, lace flower, that's about it, was started from seed, you guys. And honestly, one of the reasons why I love to start flowers from seeds is because you can't find a lot of these things locally. I don't know where you will go here in central Indiana to find amaranth or dill or lace flower. I mean, what do you guys think? I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, maybe give it a like and think about subscribing if you're not. Thank you for being here, and until the next video, you guys.